Hello guys, we are playing Cat Simulator, and I'm sorry that you're going to hear some extra noises since my sister really wants to see this show.
Yes, please. Wait.
And you're not going to be able to hear a lot.
I hear something.
So, yeah.
There's a door noise.
Wait, what? You're not going to be able to hear a lot. I'm going to go closer to her so you could hear her. Alright.
There, thank you. Finally.
Alright. What? Yeah.
I'm just gonna jump. Oh yeah.
So,
Yeah, I can't find my volume.
whoa, there's an outside. Wait, what? I thought I said turn off the volume.
I can't help. It's in here.
There you go. Turned off her volume.
I can jump.
What?
I can't believe it.
Cars?
Yeah, can we get out of here?
Yeah, there's a door over there.
It's like I'm outside. I could do anything I want.
Yeah.
I could walk over.
In the bottom, in the description, please subscribe and leave a like. Please do. Please. Oh, what is this button?
I found the other room.
This is a trampoline?
There's a trampoline. I'm coming.
Yeah, so please subscribe and leave a like. Yeah, because we would really appreciate it. This is my new channel. There might be a few other videos.
I can't.
Don't worry about those videos. Those are from the past. When I used to have my channel. So.
You have a trampoline?
Yep, it's over here.
Okay,
Woo!
where's it go?
So yeah. Sorry that we're not talking, we just like, boom, like snapped out of it from this channel. Like this TV. Yeah. So, Alison.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
This is not a trampoline.
It is. Look, go in the middle. Don't jump.
Oh, it is.
Told you. Yeah. So, let's go. Yeah. Wait a minute. I just realized there's a crate to go up. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. On an adventure somewhere that I don't know. Let's go, Alison. Come on. Come. There's nothing up here, Alison. But I'm the king of the town. Whoa.
Try to find me.
Okay. Whoosh. I believe. Ow.
Gotta run.
Gonna catch you.
No.
Come on. Gun. Do.
You can't even get me.
I'm trying. I'm right behind you.
What? Run away.
Come here, my pretty. Come here. Da 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 da. I'm trying
I'm trying to get out.
I caught you.
No, you didn't.
What? Oof! I caught you. I touched you. I went on top of you. That's underground.
I didn't saw you touch me.
Come on, I'm coming. Come on. I'm trying to get him. She's walking on a wall for no reason.
Jump! Yeah, no.
Come back here. Where are you?
I don't know where am
Oh, I see you. Okay. Come back. Come back here. Come back here. Where are you? Come back here. I tagged you. Done.
I?
Tag.
No.
Ha! You're right on top of me.
I recorded.
Yeah. What? There's a back? Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So, that's the end of this video, and...
What? Nope. Nope.
Just kidding. So, Alison, well, there's nothing else to do. I guess that's the
I
end.
know.
What is that? Wait, what is that?
I don't know. Oh, it's for talk. Wait, can we speak? Wait,
what is it?
Meow, meow. I'm changing.
No, that's not how you do it. You do it like this. Why did you just knock over the speaker? That costed a lot.
I don't know.
You do it like this. Let's sing.
Blah, blah, blah.
Time to sing.
Blah,
Say
blah,
so.
blah,
Shh.
blah,
I'm gonna sing.
blah.
Be quiet.
Blah, blah.
Shh.
Blah, 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 blah.
Perfect. Hiccuping. Do you think there's a car?
No, I'm just jumping for joy. Joy.
But do you think there's a car? No cars in sight. Oh, another
There's a
trampoline.
car? Let's try to all find a car.
Woo! We're not playing online like with other people because we don't want to. So, yeah. Trying to find him. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. I see you. Wait, what? How far are you? She's jumping on a wall.
Run.
Yeah, let's take a screenshot. Come back. Wait, what is that?
It's just a thingy.
How did he get all the way over here? Sorry about those sounds. They're just extra from someone. And, yeah.
I just found something.
So, I guess that's the end of the video. We already explored everything. Say goodbye, Alison.
Goodbye.
Please subscribe and join. Please, I really want to. That would be greatly
I think
appreciated.
this is the boring video we ever made.
I know it is. It's not very exciting. Well, goodbye. Next episode, we're gonna try to find a better, way better video or something. Like Roblox. Please go in the description and, I can't talk a lot, okay? So sorry. But go in the bottom
I'm
and
distracted into this TV. I don't want to watch it.
tell us what we should play next. Like Roblox. We don't have any Minecraft. Well, we do have
Yes,
Minecraft.
we have.
Yeah,
said
but
we
not
can't
on my
play.
phone.
Yeah.
But, okay,
buy
please
it.
tell us something free. Maybe online. Yeah, online definitely. So you can play together. And goodbye.